Can somebody ask for money for being your chavruta? Why would you pay somebody to be your chavruta? There's plenty of people that would study with you for free. But unless that person that you're asking to be your chavruta is a very busy person or a very big scholar that is lowering himself and taking away from themselves in order to teach you. But if you're both on the same level, you don't need to pay anybody. But if you are, in essence, this is somebody that's teaching you, and he could be using that time to make money, then certainly he could charge you money for it because he's teaching you. But again, it depends. It depends. But if it's just two people studying, they're both on the same level, I don't understand why anybody would charge or somebody would pay for such a thing. So it could be that, he may be calling it chavruta as out of modesty, but in reality it's not a chavruta. He's really teaching you, and therefore he wants to charge for it. And if he wants to do that, he has the right to do it. It's because he has the ability to make money with that time instead of teaching you. So he can charge.